Hey guys, today I am going to do worksheet 4. Definitely this is worksheet 4. But one thing I have to tell you that in this worksheet it's all about RHS. It is not right hand side. Okay, it is RHS. That this worksheet is all about right angle, then hypotenuse, and any one side. Suppose there is a right angle triangle, means we'll learn, or definitely we'll learn how to construct a right angle triangle, okay, using RHS property. That this congruent property we'll learn in next means previous chapter, that is question chapter number 9. So there are 4 criteria over there, that SSS, that worksheet 1 we have done, SAS, side angle, side, that angle is the included angle, and angle side angle means this time side is the included, that time angle is the included, there side is the included, and this one, the last worksheet, RHS. Okay, so definitely 90 degree opposite, hypotenuse, any one side, either this one you can take or this one you can take, any one, and 90 degree right angle given, it should be given 90 degree one angle, hypotenuse length has been given, and any one, this, either this or that, any one side has been given. You have to construct it. Okay, how to do that? Simply you have to first draw a ray, and there you have to construct 90 degree angle. Okay now, then if you join it 90 degree angle, then it is told hypotenuse and side has been given, so from there you can cut it any side. Suppose this side has been given, and from this side you have to cut over there, then join it. I'll show you, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. So understood now? So this worksheet 4 easier than other worksheet, because if you know how to construct 90 degree angle, others, the 2 steps are very easy. Okay, but in this worksheet, one sum over there, I forgot the question number, I have to check, but one sum over there, that is very important. There I remember that it is told that hypotenuse length given 5.4 centimeter something. This sum is very important sum, and its construction is different, like little bit different like others, means in this worksheet other sum. Okay, so whenever I am going to do that sum, I will tell you how to construct it, or everything, the process I will explain you. Okay, so now I am going to do question number 1. So let's start. As I have told you that I am going to do the worksheet 4 now. So already I have explained that what to do in this worksheet, in what triangle we are going to, means what property we are going to use, that is RHS, that all I have explained. So here, before going to do the sum, let me explain you the rough work. If you see the rough work, you can visualize it, you can easily calculate this sum. So what to do? Simply, here it is told draw a right angle triangle with hypotenuse 5 cm. So you all know that hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degree. So if I draw this kind of triangle, so definitely it is 90 degree, and that one is hypotenuse. Okay now, that length given 5 cm. Okay, now one side of length is 4 cm, any of the side is 4 cm, so I can take this as a 4 cm. Okay, so what to do? This is our triangle looking like this. So what to do? We have to draw a ray, any ray, then at this point you have to draw 90 degree angle. You know how to construct 90 degree angle. After that, from this point only you have to cut 4 cm, and from there you have to cut 5 cm. Then join this, you will get the solution. So I will do it here. So first, before that, I have to draw here 5 cm and 4 cm with the help of scale, you all know. So let us take, here it is. So let me first draw 4 centimeter, then I am going to draw 5 centimeter hypotenuse. Okay, so 4 centimeter means this is the length 4 centimeter, and after that here I am going to draw 5 centimeter. So here it is. Yeah, 5 centimeter done. So the name is what? 4 centimeter. Name not given, no. So no need to write. Only write down 4 centimeter. This is, and that is 5 centimeter. So if you want to write the name, so I am going to do here rough work. So I'll give the name A, B, C. So definitely BC is the 4 centimeter. You can write the name. It is not mandatory. If you think you will not write, so no need to write. But after that solution, you have to write the name of the triangle. Then you have to give the name. So it is better to write the name like this. Okay. So first I have to draw a ray. You all know that how to draw a ray. Using scale, you can draw a line, any line. So I am going to do the same thing. Here it is a ray. Done. Then need a compass and draw 90-degree angle. Don't think anything. Just draw here 90-degree angle. Here it is. Now from this point, you all know how to draw. First take any radius and put the center and draw a arc, and taking same radius, cut another arc, put the center at here and cut another arc. Now I am going to put the center next intersecting arc there, then cut it. Where this arc intersect, put the center of the compass here and cut it. Okay. Now this is, if you join it now, you will get a 90-degree angle. Means definitely. So let me take it, the solid line. You have to use the scale. I can do it directly because I have this digital whiteboard, but you have to use the scale, and from there and this point you have to join and extend. Okay. So this is our 90-degree. Now what to do? I have to cut 4, and now B is the 90-degree. So I am going to write here B. Now at this point, at this line, on this ray, I have to cut 4 centimeter. Here you can see the rough work I have done here, na 4 centimeter. So what to do? 4 centimeter, for that 4 centimeter, no, I have to take the measure. Here it is 4 centimeter. You can see it is okay now. Can you see that? See, yeah, exactly taken. Now change the color and cut it. Okay. So put the compass at radius. Put the radius of the compass here at the point B. Then cut it. Now this should be C, BC here. So write down C. Now BC you have got, that is 4 centimeter. Now this length is what? 5 centimeter. Can you see that? So from the point C, I have to cut on this ray or on this line 4 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. So take the measure 5 centimeter first. Yeah, 5 centimeter. So color I should change. Now cut it. Exactly taken. Now at the point C, means or I can say from the point C, cut the arc which intersect the this one. Chalo, let me change the color. This line. Okay. So here it is. So this is the point. Can you see that? This should be A, because this length is what? 5 centimeter. So this length is what? 5 centimeter. So here A. That I am going to write A and join A and C. Then you will get the required triangle. Very easy. Actually, it is a easy sum. Right? Draw a right angle triangle. No, it's very easy. You have to know only that how to draw 90-degree angle. Done. This is our required triangle. You can see, and nothing else said. This only they told. So after that, as always, I have written that again I have to write. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Required right triangle. Chalo, let me write right triangle. Right angled triangle or right triangle. Right triangle. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you all understood. So please do comment in the comment box. So let me know that you understand or not. So that's it for today. Goodbye. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. तब तक के लिए take care and goodbye.